Let's set the record straight on Palawan, a vital part of our Philippine heritage amid a sea of myths. Our truth is built on solid historical records and international law. Explore Palawan's rich history. Pre-colonial, indigenous communities thrived here, forging early trade ties with Chinese, Indian, and Malay merchants. Spanish colonization, 1565 to 1898. Integrated into the Spanish Empire, Palawan saw settlements and forts rise, yet its indigenous spirit endured. American and Japanese occupation, 1898 to 1946. The island modernized through wartime challenges, ultimately liberated by Filipino and Allied forces. Post-independence, 1946 up to present. Today, Palawan shines with natural wonders like El Nido and Coron, serving as a strategic gateway to the West Philippine Sea. This historical milestone reaffirmed that Palawan has always been an integral part of the Philippines. International agreements, including the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and established treaties leave no room for myths. Our armed forces work tirelessly to ensure that fact-based, accurate information prevails. Our commitment not only protects our heritage, but also reinforces our sovereign rights on the global stage. By standing with us, you support a legacy of truth, unity, and national pride. Embrace the true legacy of Palawan. Reject unfounded myths, and join in supporting the mission to uphold our nation's honor. Stand together for truth, sovereignty, and unity. Support the truth. Support our nation.